How to copy and paste text in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy and paste text in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is let us open up any note or any place from where you want to copy text. Then you'll have to long press and then you'll see the select option. Tap on select. Now select whatever you want to copy. You can copy letters as well, you can copy words, you can copy paragraphs. It's completely up to you. And after you've selected the text, you'll see the copy option. Tap on copy. After you tap on copy, you can paste it wherever you want. So head over to the place you want to paste it at and then long press again, and then you'll see the paste option. Tap on paste to paste whatever you have copied. Now you can do this on your any other apps as well. So you can head over to any apps and do the same to the text area, long press on it and then tap on the paste button. There you can see now you can send the message as well. And that's how you copy and paste text in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.